Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Zalo account disabled, how to unlock. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your Zalo account is disabled, what you can do is simply head over and open up your Zalo app. Then once you're inside on the login page, what you need to do is just simply enter in your username and password and then tap on login. Then if your account is disabled, you may see a message like your Zalo account has been blocked in Vietnamese language. Then you can simply tap on the recover account or support link available. Then simply follow the steps, usually involving a OTP verification via phone number. Then you can also contact Zalo support at simply visiting Zalo help center at zalo.me/ZaloCare, or simply email Zalo support directly at hotro@zalo.me. And then when contacting support, provide your Zalo number and then screenshot of the error message and approximate data of last access and description of what you may have caused the issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.